Hello lovely ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing and flip through of the Radiant Wise Spirit Tarot. I just received it in the mail today. I've been wanting this deck for a while and I have the chance of showing it to you right here. Right now, we can see we have 5 languages, again produced by Lo Scarabeo, and this deck was made in Torino. So, beautiful, beautiful deck. I hope I'll love it. And I have here my trustworthy friend, my small scissors, and let me just try to unpack this without destroying my deck if possible, because it does come in a steady box. I just affected it a bit, but yeah, almost invisible to the eye. Okay, so there's no going back from here. Plastic wrap removed. Here it is. Lovely, beautiful, matte finish, sturdy box. I love the sturdy box. Okay, so on top we have the title, producer, we have the full card, magician, moon, high priestess. And as I said, it is available in 5 languages. Okay? All right, so let me open it. Sturdy box, you can hear it. And we have here, wow, the cards. They're quite thick. Okay, and of course we have the card. Each Lo Scarabeo deck has a card, a small booklet. I mean the booklet, not the card. Okay, it's the booklet. I apologize. We have the booklet and we have it in 5 languages. English goes from page number 5 up to page number, I think it was 61. Yes, 60 to 63. Okay, so it ends right here, page 67, and as you can see, it provides a small description of the card and the reversed meaning. And this is something that I haven't found in the Mucha Tarot by Lo Scarabeo as well, which was made by Lo Scarabeo, but it didn't have the reversed meanings of the cards. So, all right, now let me put these here. And oh, beautiful Lo Scarabeo card. I'm thinking this is strength. The Virgin taming the beast. Beautiful. And of course, the front card, Radiant Wise Spirit. Okay, and I'll do my best not to damage my cards because I take great care of them and I really dislike having damaged cards. Okay, so I'll just risk my nails. Okay, and it's done. Nail is fine and cards are fine. Okay, plastic wrap. Bye-bye. Okay, and as I said, this is the front card. This is the back of the cards. Beautiful, classic Rider-Waite cards. Okay, and we have the last one, the one which promotes Lo Scarabeo, of course. And now let's do the flip through. These don't have a matte finish. They're quite glossy. Actually, you can see my light here. I'm sorry about that. So let's check them all out very quickly. We have the Fool, Magician, High Priestess, Empress, Emperor, Hierophant, Lovers, Chariot, Strength, Hermit, the Wheel of Fortune, Justice, Hanged Man, Death, Temperance, Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, and the World. This was the major arcana. Let's move on to the suits. We have Ace of Cups, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, so dark, King of Cups. Moving on to the Pentacles, Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Page of Coins, Knight of Coins, Queen of Coins, and so dark, King of Coins. Moving on to the next suit, staves, we have the Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Page, Knight, Queen of Wands, and the King. All right, and we're moving on to our last suit, Swords. We have the Ace, 2, 3, beautiful 3 of Swords, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, page, knight, queen, and lastly, the King of Swords. All right, so this was the flip through. I will quickly present a few things that determined me to buy this deck. First of all, I really love the colors. I think they're bright and they have nice shadow to it. They're a lot darker than the colors in every other Rider-Smith or Rider-Waite deck. And I really love the fact that they're so colorful and dark. They have a visual impact on me, and I immediately felt connected to this deck. So I really love it. I don't mind the glossy finish, the shiny finish. I think the card is, the cardstock is quite good. And I completely love the fact that these are borderless. So, you know, you only have the names of the cards in the major arcana, of course, and you have the court cards. They each have like which one is the king, knight, page, and so on. The names written on the bottom. However, the rest of the cards, as you can see, they're completely borderless and they just have like the Roman number here. So I really love these cards and I felt instantly connected to them just because of the colors, the lack of borders, and the fact that many people like them. Other people actually dislike them, but I think I will be able to work with these cards very well. So thank you so much for watching the video. I tried to keep it shorter this time. Have a beautiful day, and until next time, take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.